Hey everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing the Soto Amicus Stove Cookset. So I got this for backpacking and I've really enjoyed it so far. So I know the jet boil and pocket rocket, things like that are very popular. I think the jet boil has to be the most popular um, stove for backpacking, but I wanted something a little more affordable. So this is just $45. I got it from REI. So this is all put together. It has a smaller pot and a larger pot, and the fuel tank and the stove all fit in together in this little mesh bag. And then it has a little fabric bag for the stove. And yeah, this is the larger pot. All of them have handles that fold out. They have rubber to prevent yourself from burning yourself. And yeah, they're aluminum pots. They're pretty strong, pretty light. Has allows you to fit the larger tank, which is really nice. And the large size is good for soups and things like that. And we've also got the small size. All right, so I'm gonna open up this bag. The stove is super light. Um, so the stove itself is only a couple ounces. The weight of the entire thing is under 12 ounces. All right, yeah, so here's the stove itself. You can see it's very compact, and the arms fold down. I'm gonna fold them out for you. All right, so this is it all set up, and then there's the arm to control the gas. And it also has a ignition switch, so you don't even need to use a lighter. And it just screws right on top of the tank here. Okay, I'm just gonna grab a pot right real quick and gonna turn on the gas. You can hear it hissing already. And then you press the button a few times, and there you go. I find it to be very stable. You do have to make sure you're on a flat, stable surface when you're cooking, but it has really good support. As you can see, it doesn't really move around. When it's full of water, it might a little bit, especially if you're not on an uneven surface, but I really enjoyed it. So yeah, I thought this was a really good replacement for the jet boil and something more affordable, and it served me really well. So I'm just going to take it apart, put it back together, show you how it collapses down. It's still a little warm, but I didn't run it for very long. If you were actually cooking with it, you would want to wait a while before you decided to touch it and pack it away. And this just goes right in there. The stove fits right underneath the fuel tank, so you put that in first, put that on top. And there you have it. That is the Soto Amicus Cookset. And hopefully this has been helpful to you all. If it has, click the like button, help other people find this. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to cover in my videos.